Hi friends, it's Miss Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to make some musical instruments out of things you have around the house. So the first thing I have here is, this is just like a coffee can, but you can use any kind of can or box that you want, and I have some rice in it, and this is to put in this bottle, but you can also use coins to make a different sound. We're going to do that too. So you need a couple of bottles, maybe 2, 3, it depends on how many little shakers that you want to make, and you can use any size bottle. You can use like a soda bottle that's like a 20-ounce bottle. You can even use those really big soda bottles if that's what you have, because that's what we're doing, you know, whatever we have around the house. You'll need a funnel. This just helps, you know, to when you pour the rice in, but you don't really need this, obviously. If you're just doing the coins, you can drop them in. And I have some pencils, and you can use pens too, whatever you have, again, whatever you have around the house, and this is just to help us to make some sounds. And then you just need some jar lids, any size, any kind, it really doesn't matter. And that's basically it. So let's get started. So first we're going to make our shaker. So just take the cap off, and this is the part where you need an adult, friends, okay, if you're going to use the rice. So we're going to pour the rice in. Some might come out. And then you just put the cap back on. So that, nice, huh? Isn't that fun? And you can also just take coins or anything that you have around the house, anything you actually can drop in that fits the bottle, just put them in. And that's a completely different sound. Another thing you can do with bottles is you can make this noise with them. You rub the pencil, right? That's fun too. Now that the rice is out of this, this is going to be a drum. Just turn it over and just hit it. See? And these, but you're wondering what these are for. These are our cymbals. All we have to do is like hit them together like this. Or you can make different sounds with them. It's whatever you want to do. Okay, now let's see if we can do this. Now I'm just one person. I'm not a band, so I can't play too many at the same time, but let's see. Let's do 2. Let's see. I'll take this shaker, but you can take any shaker you want. Let's just get a rhythm going on this. Ready? Can you do that, friends? Good job. Can you pick up your shaker? Ready? Shake it. Good job. Good job. Can you do it faster? Ready? Shake. Good job. Okay, let's see how the other one sounds with the coins. Is that one too complicated? Let's try. Ready? Good job. One more time. Good job. Let's see how this sounds. Can you do that, friends? Can you do it faster? Yeah, that's fun. How about just the drums? If you want to do a drum solo, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. Faster. Good job. Can you do it even faster? Keep going. Yay. Let's do the cymbal at the end. Ready? Good job, friends. You did so great. I'm so proud of you. I hope that was fun for you. These are just a few ideas. So parents, if this kind of inspires you and you want to use other things, then that's great. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.